welcome. I am off to Florida for a girls trip, so let's go meet the girls at the airport.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
I mean, don't post it on the
Our flight got delayed by 8 hours. It's 7 in the morning.
We're at the airport.
Oh my god.
I was in line.
We woke up at 5 for this.
So dumb.
I'm gonna read this email to you guys live. It says, now that this delay has exceeded 3 hours, you're entitled to a refund if you choose not to travel.
I'm sick to my stomach.
8 hours later.
Get in, the taxi's leaving.
Okay, is this a frog?
Frogs.
What is this?
It's squish.
Oh, are we bringing it?
No.
No.
8 hours later, we are on our way back to the airport to hopefully catch this flight. So we will see you when we get there.
Do you think it's
Gonna miss you.
Hi, I'm gonna miss you too, dude.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna take care of the cats. I'm gonna give them all the treats, all the things that you would yell at me for, I'm gonna do to them.
Bye,
when you
George.
get on the
I love
plane. Bye.
You guys ready?
ready?
Let's go. I'm so excited.
Same. We better like not get delayed.
Now we wait.
1 hour later.
Our flight got delayed again by an hour and a half this time. $7:30, fingers crossed. But if not, we got pizza on the way apparently, and the flight is at 9:55. Yay, free pizza! Miserable! Miserable! I don't want pizza. I want pizza! New Haven is the capital!
We're trying to be mad.
Not a flight to Florida, but I'll take it for now.
Many unbearable hours later.
Time to board! We're going! Next stop,
We're on the
Daytona
plane.
Beach.
Thank God, dude.
I'm taking a nap.
2 hours later.
I'm in shock. That was the most rough landing ever.
I wish I recorded.
Everyone just had a heart attack.
We literally went bum bum.
The wings banged off the ground.
Literally just felt like a car accident times like 400.
Are we alive?
I think so. We made it. Now we have to find where we can get our rental car. It says it's by baggage claim. I'm sorry, I'm looking at all the signs. I'm not going down the stairs. That. I walked up too many stairs today. Found it. Got the keys. Let's go find the car. It's so beautiful out. I believe it's in row B. There she is. Take a trailblazer. Yeah. Shut the up.
Okay. We found it. It's right there.
She's cute. We're gonna go get some food and touch base when we get to the house. So see you guys then. We are here, we are gonna eat, and we are gonna sleep. So see you in the morning. Good morning. I skipped the getting ready portion of our day, but this is the outfit of the day. Cute. Here's the pool we're gonna be swimming in. I see him. Oh my God. I'll get him next time. But we are going to a secret location this morning. I cannot tell. You definitely have heard of this area. I've seen it on YouTube, but I cannot disclose any further information. Whether I can get some clips there or not, I'm not sure. So we'll see. The Trailblazer! We're gonna go get some tropical smoothie. Package secured. Now let's go. No clips, unfortunately. Like I said, wasn't allowed. Here's a hit. But we are on our way to the beach, the other part of Daytona.
New Smyrna Beach.
You know what I mean?
Here's the swamp.
Gators! Let's go grab some beach food. Yeah, sandwiches! What's that? You already know what time it is. We are not actually going to the beach in Daytona. There is a very nice beach. I believe it's called New Smyrna Beach. Island out. Oh, it's locked like a dumbass. Made it to the beach and I am switching to the phone for the time being because I am not risk getting sand in this camera. It's too expensive. We're gonna go all the little shops they have around here. Which one are you guys choosing?
It has a tail. Wait, it has a tail. Did you know it had a tail?
Should I grab him?
Get away.
Nassau, baby.
Nassau.
Think of Nassau County.
Nassau.
Nassau. Nassau, baby. N-A-S-A.
Nassau.
When you're from Long Island, all you think about is Long Island.
The next morning.
Good morning. After the beach, we just went back to the house and hung out for a little bit. But today, we're gonna go kayaking. So let's get ready. And we're ready. We are on our way to Silver Springs in Ocala. Let's go kayaking! See some manatees!
Matching hats.
I'm gonna switch to the phone because I'm not bringing my camera.
There's gators.
There's gators! What if they eat you? What if they eat you? I wasn't ready. We just got set up. He set this off.
There are so many little turtles. Look at it. We got to take our life jackets off to see Kai's back muscles. Thank God. We're gonna be jacked. Take a before and after.
No, honestly,
we're gonna be so jacked by the end of this.
Oh, look at that bird. Oh my god, a manatee! Ah!
Guys, a gator has been spotted.
You got it right. You guys can't really see, but we're above a shipwreck right now. Look at that bird. Oh my god, he's so cute. Little swamp puppy. That was fun.
That was so much fun.
Now back to Daytona so we can meet up with Sam. Quick pit stop real quick.
We just passed the craziest little like sculpture place.
There is so many trinkets. You play centaur. Alright, go piss, girl.
Whimsical little bathroom.
That was a sick little pit stop. Now back to Daytona.
Later.
Reunited!
Hi!
We're waiting for Mick and then we're going to Daytona Beach. The actual beach.
Yes.
You know what I mean. Can we do it? 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 Can we do it?
Only if we get 5.
Fine, fine, fine. The drunken love. Got Jordy and I matching bracelets. You guys think he'll actually wear it?
Maybe for like a day.
I think he'll put it in his car, honestly.
Jordy, you better wear it.
Yeah. You think they'll let me drive the boat?
Get in there.
Time to get tacos. Should I drink tequila?
No.
Yeah, no, I shouldn't. I shouldn't. I'm gonna beat your ass. Guys, Kaylee lost her ball in the forest and pulled out the blue balls instead. The lighting's terrible. Sam whooped our ass in the mini golf. Mick got second. Me and Kaylee tied for third, which is funny because I literally told you I was gonna beat your ass. And then we tied. But last night in Daytona, thumbs down. Very sad. Have to head to the airport tomorrow morning. Ooh, it's cute. But we're gonna hang out, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Time to get ready to go home. I'm just repeating my airport fit little changes. We have to return the rental car and then, yeah, TSA and all that fun stuff. Buy slumber party bed. Buy pool and lizards who bite and horny spiders.
It hurts so bad.
Do you have a video of it?
No, it latched onto my middle finger. And Mick literally had to yank it off. You didn't hear me screaming?
No, I was in the bathroom. Buy weird mass surfboard thing. Buy guitar we never got to play. You ready?
No. No.
I don't want it to end.
At least it's like 86 degrees at home.
Yeah.
So.
That's the only plus side. See you soon, Jord. And congrats on A group at Lock City. Bye, Trailblazer. Dope. I got chocolate milk. Chalky milk? It's gonna get me through this flight. Muffin. Oh, I totally forgot. I don't mind. Wait, banana bread? Banana bread at work. Banana bread at the airport, bro. And it's from Monkey Bus, bro. We're gonna find a movie to download and watch on the plane again. We watched
Devil Wears Prada?
The Devil Wears Prada. I was like, wait, how do you word it? Got our movie queued up. Bye, Daytona. See you soon, Connecticut. Let's hope the landing's not as rough.
I know.
Are you prepared, Kaylee? Prepared to land? No.
Make sure this is... Hit them brakes! I've landed. Jordy's outside somewhere, so once we get off, we'll go find it. I give you 3.5 stars.
I'll take what I can get, I guess. You're welcome.
So I have a lot to unpack here. That being said, I'm gonna end the video here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed our girls' adventure to Florida. Sorry, no Jordy, but we are back next week to more car things.